Ever wondered which broker actually delivers fast execution, crypto withdrawals, and real market access without overpromising? Let me show you the one I've been using lately. Everything short on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing NordFX. Let's do a quick demo to show you how fast it is to get started. Click Open an account. And here, fill out your information. First name, last name, email, the country you are, your phone number, promo code if you have any, password that you want, and then click the box and open an account. And you can see registration takes less than a minute to create your account. Minimum deposit is just $10 and you can start trading instantly. NordFX supports forex, crypto, stocks, metals, indices, and CFDs all in one account. NordFX is a global multi-asset broker that's been around for over 17 years. They operate in more than 100 countries with multi-regulated status and a multilingual support. What makes it appealing is its balance. It's advanced enough for pros, but even simple for beginners. You can trade with a leverage of up to 1 to 1,000, which is ideal for small accounts aiming to scale, and you have super fast trade execution. Orders process almost instantly. It's compatible with MT4 and MT5, the industry's most trusted trading platforms, and you get automated crypto withdrawals and smooth fiat transfers. You can access global markets from one place, no need to switch brokers. Now, my personal take after 8 years in the market, I've tested NordFX for a few weeks. What stands out is their speed and reliability. Withdrawals were processed faster than I expected, actually, and I also liked how transparent and beginner-friendly the setup is, no hidden conditions. So, in my personal opinion, for anyone looking for a stable broker to start or scale their trading, this is a strong option. And you can have NordFX account in MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, your iPhone, iPad, or even your Android. They offer social trading even, where you have a simple and intuitive way to increase your capital, and their support is 24/7 multilingual for global users. They even offer a learning center where you have educational material available for beginners and regular market analysis and insights shared on their websites immediately. If you want to try it out yourself, head to the link in the description, open an account, explore the platform, and see how it fits your style. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more trading reviews like this one. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.